Okay guys, it's sunrise now. Thank you Lord for witnessing this beautiful creation of yours. Sunrise here in Sydney, Australia. Sunrise, sun is up, coming up now guys. It's really coming up. It's really wonderful view in this place. Look, the airplane's coming. Landing soon, airplane. And going to the sun. Passing through the sun. Wow, this is so nice. This is really a nice view guys. Napakagandang view. Look. Sobrang ganda guys. Sobrang ganda. Wow. 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 May nagpe-fishing po doon. That's the view here in Sandringham Beach or Sanssouci Beach before. Formerly Sanssouci Beach. Oh, lovely Good Friday to everyone. Happy birthday, Dodong, baby boss sa Pomona, and Chog. Happy birthday to you all, guys. Too many airplanes, guys. Look, another plane is coming, having a landing soon, and there's another one. There's another airplane, guys, coming very soon at the airport. Look. Wow. Maraming padating po ngayon dito sa Sydney. Maybe one of them are from Philippines. Yeah. One of them are from Philippines. Asian countries, guys. Ayun na po yung isa. Lapit na siya mag-landing at nakita niya si Haring Araw. Look at that, guys. That's the sun and that's the airplane, and there's one boat there. Take a picture again. Wow. This is terrible and nice. Wow, awesome. Awesome, guys. Awesome place to witness the sunrise. Nagpe-fishing po doon. Hey, look at this boy. Keep on catching the fish. And that's the Port Botany, guys. There's too many shipping container there. And there's the airport. Nandun po ang airport. Swim there, guys, early in the morning doing the exercise. There you are. Another plane is coming. Wow. Amazing grace. God's creation. Look at this, guys. This is really nice. Perfect. Okay, guys. Have a lovely Good Friday, a relaxing one, and happy Easter to everyone. God bless us all.